If you aspire to aim higher, if you desire to run faster, if you wish to grow bigger, you need to unlock your potential for performance and earnings. In 2020, unlock it with the all-new Ape BS6 Performance Range. Engineered for high performance and earnings. To put you right on top of the earnings game is the Ape BS6 Diesel Power Max range. Equipped with a bigger and better 599cc engine for a never-before load carrying capacity and better engine life. The high-performance engine is aided by the water-cooled technology that delivers low engine wear and tear, longer engine oil change intervals, and perfect drivability over long distances. 9.4 horsepower for unmatched pickup and speed. 23.5 Nm torque for superior gradability. For the first time ever, introducing a 5-speed gearbox for a super smooth driving experience. And faster turnaround time for more trips and more earnings. The new and robust aluminium clutch lasts up to 30,000 kilometers. The cargo range, power और कमाई की नई पहचान, now brings to you a bigger, spacious cabin, higher ground clearance, and improved drivability. Spearheading the passenger range is the Ape Auto DX. Badi Savari, Badi Kamai. It now comes with improved headroom and safety doors for passenger comfort. The industry-beating 42-month super warranty ensures that you worry less and earn more. Whether it is performance or earnings, the Ape BS6 alternate fuel range is second to none. The Ape Auto DX, Ape City Plus and Ape City will now be powered by Piaggio's own 230cc 3-valve engine with fuel injection technology, which gives improved pickup, superior drivability, low NVH and a smoother ride. The alternate fuel engine is designed to deliver best-in-class mileage for higher earnings and lowest maintenance costs for higher savings. The 36-month super warranty simply makes it a profitable ride, while the lowest maintenance costs and a 1-year super saver add to your savings. So get ready to unleash high performance with the Ape BS6 range that is all set to become Kamai ki Nai Pehchan.